told you that bottled water wasn't as necessarily safer than tap water, and that it actually costs you about $1,900 more than tap water or regular water. Hi, my name is Elssa, and I am a sales representative at Zero Water here today to talk to you about how cost efficient and beneficial Zero Water will be in your household. So Zero Water is a filter system that combines an easy way to filter and produce clean, drinkable water. It comes with a replaceable filter and a cartridge, as well as a meter that measures any detectable dissolved solids within the water. That's the meter, and these are just samples of the various pitchers and filters that come with it. So you're probably asking yourself how safe is it compared to bottled water? I mean, bottled water is pretty much the safest water that you could have. Well, not necessarily. About 44% of bottled water is just tap water. It contains the same contaminated substances that are present in tap water just as much as that are in bottled water. And compared to just regular tap water that we just drink on a daily basis, it does have a list of chemicals that are present in already filtered water system, which are lead and substances from the clarification process. And another thing is that about 80% of water bottles are not recycled, so it sums up to about like 38 billion unused and unrecycled water bottles that go into landfills and results in polluting the environment. So another reason as to why bottled water or purchasing bottled water isn't necessarily the best way to conserve the environment. So is it cost and energy efficient? Zero Water, there was a survey taken by the Natural Resource Defense Council, which shows that Zero Water can actually help you save about $2,800 within a year compared to purchasing bottles of water. This is just a calculation, but then that if you, for instance, just sum up a household of 4 people and the amount of bottled water that per person needs to have per day, and then times the number of people in the household times the whole year, all the days within the year, you get a sum of about $3,114 spent in the year. Whereas if you purchase a filter, which is approximately $20 to $40 depending on what filter you purchase, and maybe just purchase normal water bottles, whereas you can just fill in your water and take it to go with you. And the pitcher, which you need to switch out the filter at least every 18 times within the year. And the water that you already pay for within your bill, you get a sum of $236, which in comparison to the money that you spend on bottled water is a huge save, and you'll be able to save about $2,800 each year. Also, the process of making plastic bottles in the United States of America amounts to about 15 million barrels of oil, which also, according to the Earth Policy Institute, is enough to run about 100,000 cars. So if you look at it both ways, it kind of saves energy and money at the same time. So you're probably thinking, why is there water compared to all the other leading water purification companies? And well, Zero Water uses a 5-stage filter, which is similar to the reverse osmosis system, compared to Brita, which I'm sure most of you are familiar with. Brita uses a 2-stage filter system, which still isn't as pure as you can say as Zero Water. And also, the zero water filter replaces ions in the water, which filters the water, and reports are that at the end of the day, the substances in the water are more purified than substances in the water used from the Brita filter. So in conclusion, I talked about just how the differentiations between tap water and bottled water, and just how you could be able to save money by purchasing a filter and filtering water than actually going out and buying bottles of water, if at the end of the day they're equivalent to the same amount of water. And just I explained to you just how Zero Water is a leading company, how it is better than Brita or any other water purification company as well. So thank you. Are there any questions?